If your Sony TV keeps turning off by itself every few minutes, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes to stop your TV from shutting down automatically. Let's begin. First, small software glitches can cause the TV to power off on its own. The simplest fix is a cold boot. Unplug your TV from the wall completely, wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. If it still turns off, move to the next step. Now we're going to make sure power settings aren't shutting down your TV. Open all settings, go to System, then Power and Energy. Turn off idle TV power off and also disable auto shut off. This ensures your TV won't shut down automatically. If the issue continues, it might be caused by an HDMI device sending a shutdown command. Go to All Settings, Channels and Inputs, External Inputs, HDMI CEC Settings. Here, either turn off HDMI CEC completely or disable device auto power off, so no external device can switch off your TV. Next, check your remote. Take the batteries out. If your TV suddenly stops turning off, that means the power button on your remote is stuck or faulty. If not, let's check the power cable and outlet. Make sure the cord is firmly connected, not damaged, and plug directly into a wall outlet. If it already is, try a different outlet, because unstable power can cause sudden shutoffs. And if nothing works after all these steps, then it's likely a faulty internal power supply, which means your TV needs repair.